Saving for a car requires a focused approach and commitment. Here are some effective strategies to help you reach your goal. Now, start by determining how much you need for your car, including the purchase price, the taxes, the registration, and the insurance. Research different models to establish a realistic budget. All right? Now, creating a budget is essential. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Allocate a specific percentage of your income to your car savings each month. Open a dedicated savings account for your car fund. A high yield savings account can help you grow over time while keeping your funds. So ask about it at your bank. So, while keeping your funds separate. By automating these savings, by setting up a regular transfer from your checking account to your savings account, it'll ensure that you make consistent contributions without making effort. It'll just happen automatically. You don't have to think about it. Look for ways to increase your income, such as taking on a part-time job or freelance work. Direct any extra earnings into your car fund. Consider reducing non-essential expenses like dining out or subscriptions as well, and redirect those funds to your savings. Finally, explore options like buying a used car or waiting for sales to get the best deal. And by implementing these strategies, you can effectively save for your car and achieve your goal. Stop trying to impress people.